first night together. Why do you lie so far away from me?
Into my looks, so I really wanted it to be quite lively and playful and fun, because that's exactly why I listen to that one. Whenever I feel down, I always listen to that song.
Bring heat. Put it out. Left, right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
Evie Oddly, you, my dear, are a freak. And you're safe.
Thank you.
Sugar cane. Tonight, sugar don't bite. I'm sorry, my dear, but you are up for elimination.
There was next to no physical evidence to help us try and link the potential suspect.
The exhumation was no more disappointing than chasing down
Creativity with the beautiful sculptural positioning of his five bodies, and then the front and eyes, and also the little cable coming out, just another little touch. The first time we've ever seen him use not only his skill, but his sense of humor and his imagination all in tandem. It bothered me that he brought out the paper. He didn't use the feet. It's a little bit flat, bringing that little bit of shape.
One thing we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls, unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
And he listens. And that's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me. Judge Berman pays me back something that...
Bring heat. Put it out. Left, right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
Now, I would even give her Miss Congeniality with the crime.
You what?
I would have to pick Eureka. She's fucking fierce.
Monique? I see everybody black in Aquarius.
Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean.
Michelle Visage today.
Oh, well, you know you're supposed to be portraying a woman.
Oh, yes, I know. This is going to be a little difficult for me, but...
Hi everyone, so this is my worm in the eye look. So I'm just cleaning my eye makeup off with micellar water and then using Meron's skin prep just to pat over the area really, just to make the skin nice and easy to work with. And there's my little silicone eye cover which I stick down with skin cover up tape just to keep my eye nice and safe. And here we go, straight in with the Sin Wax. So I will be using Spirit Gum with this on my forehead, like you just see, patting it down, and then sticking the little tip of the worm tail out, and just really like setting it down with some Vaseline on the spatula. Now, as you can see here, I have done like a sort of rough worm outline with the Sin Wax, and just going around the edges to try and make it look like it's part of my eyelid here, and just smoothing the edges down to make it look as natural as possible. Now I'm just going over with a pale yellow over the actual wormy bit to make it look a bit grotesque. Again, over around the edges with a bit of blood. Again, this is alcohol paint. Got myself some fake eyelashes, put them on so it looks a bit more realistic, I suppose. Just go around the edges now to make it look really sore and infected with my blood palette from EBA Performance Makeup. Again, just really tapping around those edges and making it look really sore and painful. Now onto the makeup products. Here I've got Extreme Wet, Pus and Yellow Wound Gel. So now just going over the yellow wound gel just to make it look a bit more gross and vile, and all around the edges there. And now I'm going over with a bit of pus around the edges, just that added effect. So now onto the fake blood. I'm pouring this on just on the inside really, because I want to make it seem as if, you know, this bug is like forcing its way out of my eye, like there's no space for it and the whole area is bleeding out. And that's the final look. Hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, so here is my Eton face look. So I've just put some skin protector on. Now I'm going to go over the lines sort of area where I want to place it with my Meron pen. This is just using some skin tape and Vaseline over the brows. And as you can see, I've started putting some latex with tissue across my mouth to start building the look up. As you can see, I did put Vaseline in my brows just before, so this stopped the liquid latex sticking to my eyebrow hairs, but I was so scared anyway. So now with your wax, I just put it in the inside as it is to make it look like a bit gummy. And then over the top with Meron Sin Wax, and just smoothing that into my scalp area. And the same for the bottom. So using a bit of Vaseline, just helping to spread it out so it's all smooth. And now these are fake nails that I've just grinded down and coloured in with my Encore palettes, and just sticking more on my face. So using an EVA Performance just to make the wax same colour as my skin, and just spreading it around, just adding little bits of detail, and now adding a bit of blood effect just to make it look a bit gooey and gross. Just going over parts of the teeth, and with the Meron blood, I'm just putting it in certain areas and spots to make it look a bit more gruesome. And now with the Extreme Wet, this is done just to add extra effect. And here's the final look. Enjoy.
Trypophobia warning, y'all. Well, hello, you little freaks. I cannot talk once again. Thank you very much for coming to my page. Anyways, it's time to take this off again. And oh dear God, I hate wax so much. I am looking forward to taking this off. Boom. Leave. Be gone. Wax. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Wow, so cute. Doon. It just pops right off. Ah, it's so nice. There's some little pieces here as well. Boom. Leave me alone. Yee. The best feeling in the world. I'm gonna leave my contact on because I want to see if my boyfriend will notice that I have two different eye colors. I don't think he will. But either way, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now.
Fipster, it's for pathological liars. We're gonna start the scene with the narrator first. Your bitch is here. Whoop that ass, okay?
Take off my makeup with me. Snow White edition. My little bow. Snatch. Grab that. Ooh. Let's give her a good little wipe. This took me so freaking long. Now the fun part. I have a premiere to go to in 20 minutes that I'm not ready for. It's up my nose. I should have just went like this. Why does my eyebrow always stay so crusty? I'm gonna go wash my face. I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was gonna force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex, and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry. Take off my makeup with me. Creeper edition. We need to do this quick. It is in fact 2 a.m. and I have to wake up at 6 for a call tomorrow. I painted this myself. Ready? This feels illegal. Here's the full fit. Look at the feet. And here we go. I've literally been working on this look since like 1 p.m. I went and bought the costume and the foam for the face, documented it in a YouTube video that you need to watch. Also, I went to the house from Good Luck Charlie. See? And I'm exhausted. I like haven't drank a glass of water in like 24 hours. And I'm like seeing things. But I didn't want to mess up the paint on my mouth. So I dehydrated myself. Are my eyebrows okay? Like, I don't think so. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed. Please pray for me. Appreciate ya. My phone's on 5%, so we have to do this fast. Yes, I did turn myself into a Christmas tree. And what about it? Take off our decorations like normal humans because we don't leave them up until March. Now this is probably gonna, oh wow. Girl, oh my god. Okay, this one. Oh no. Oh perfect, this is cemented to my face. I literally got a free face wax. I can't tackle these right now, we have to wait. The neck is gonna, oh wait, maybe it all hurts. Pretty sure I have hair stuck in this one. Oh yeah, I definitely do. Look in my hair. That's bad. Okay, I can do this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that was all. Bye. Take off my makeup with me. I'm sorry, this turned out so good. And I've had it on for 60 seconds, so let's take it off. So first off, if you're thinking, wow, that cloud is really 3D, it's because it is, in fact, cotton balls. Glued to my head. Ow. My hair is stuck in it. Oh god, it's ripping out all my baby hairs. Oh my god. You can see the hairs are ripped out. Wait, that's kind of funny. Let's see if we can get these lips in one swipe. Close. Gotta get the cheek. This is actually coming off very easily. And I actually did not do contacts this time. Eyeshadow. Halfway. I'm actually not stained that bad. That is definitely a first. This is probably one of my favorite makeup looks that I've done in a while. If I was wearing an eye patch, you actually would not be able to tell that I had makeup on. One more good swipe. Time for skincare. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.